What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working at that addition job that we just started, but I am starting my day up here in Poughkeepsie at Page Lumber. I just ran in and got my ticket right here. I need to run across the street to the lumber yard and pick this up. We are getting 16 1x2 10 footers. So let me run across the street, get these loaded on my truck, and then we have an hour ride down to that job. My uncle called me and said they're paving the road that the job's on, so hopefully I can get in. But either way, let's get this loaded and get down there and see what happens. All right, guys, we are on the road again. I have the material loaded on my roof, and I have about an hour until we are at that job. So I will see you guys when we are there. All right, guys, so I am at this job. We just finished breakfast, but the guys have the whole lower roof off now and pretty much just cleaning up all the garbage there, everything that needs to get taken out of the way. And then we have all the trusses here that are going up on that section. I think there might be a slight issue with the windows and where the trusses land, so we might have to adjust the windows a little bit to figure that out, but that is no big deal. We can take care of that when the time comes. It is very nice having this machine here to get all the garbage on it and lift all the trusses up and all the material up that we need. All right, so we got everything cleaned up off here pretty much, and we're getting a couple little studs in on the end to see if it's level over there. But this old house is not even close to square. So we measured from this triple LVL on that side, and we had 202, and we did the same thing over there, and we had 205 and 3/4. So it's like almost 4 inches, 3 3/4 about longer on this side than it is on that side. So we're gonna have to do a little bit of adjusting with our trusses when we set them, just to get the front completely in line with the front of the house rather than set back 3 3/4 on one side. But once we get all these little studs in here and we know that this is level, we can start cutting everything and then getting our plate in and start laying some trusses up here. All right, guys, we just finished up lunch. We got 8 of the trusses up there already. We got the rest here, and then the one for the end right here, which will go on last. So we're gonna get these up and get them set, and then we'll grab this last one. Tilt it. Dad, it's not centered exactly.
No, you need the exactly.
Ren, tell your fork.
Okay. Camera? Yeah, I have a camera.
Good. Nails?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could. Yeah, you got some?
Yeah, I got it.
You had a license for that? Bueno. Alright guys, so we are in pretty good shape here. We got all the plywood down on this side except for the little 1 foot piece along the top. The guys are starting to lay the plywood down on that side, and then once they're done with that, we're going to call it a day for today. It is about 4:45 on a Friday, so get out of here soon. We do have a little bit of framing left to do up here. That is why this last rafter is just floating there, not nailed off or anything. This is going to have a little detail here, so we got to frame that in. We do have to move these windows. They obviously are not going to fit like that, so no big deal. That's pretty easy. But tomorrow our guys will be here, and they are going to start getting paper, weather watch, and shingles down on that upper roof, and then if they finish up there, they'll come down to this roof here. But I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.